Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but we are back with another video. Today I'm doing like a mini grocery haul that I did with Lidl. This is not sponsored. I just actually like Lidl. Lidl is sort of like Aldi, if you've ever heard of Aldi. It's out of Germany. They started in, I think, 1973. And basically they are 90% private label, so you're going to get the best deal. So here I am showing that I've loaded up on fruits, lots of fruits, because I had to change my diet. So I've got some plums and some pears, delicious pears. I've got some South Carolina peaches here. I've got some Fuji apples. Those are actually my favorite type of apples. And you can see some green apples over there. I've got some canola spray. And this close cluster of oats and honey tastes just like honey bunches of oats. You never know. I've got some diced tomatoes. And I love their sauces. Like, usually I don't like off-brand sauces, but this sauce is amazing. And I also got some cans of tuna. I like tuna salad, and I kind of like some tuna on actual salad. And then I have some salsa, some real butter. Love real butter. Got some bananas, some applesauce with cinnamon. That's for my husband and my daughter. Got some orange juice and some syrup. And again, I love their syrup. I don't like too many off-brand syrups, but that one is delicious. Got some trail mix. They sell by the pound. Some penne noodles and some pretzel sticks. Gotta have some good snacks, and then an unhealthy snack, some potato chips. I've got some water. This is on sale, I think 2 for $1. I think it was 2 for $1. Some wheat bread. I've got some trail mix. No, not trail mix. That's granola. Got some granola. Then I got some eggs. I think these eggs were 98 cents. 89 cents. Some tortilla chips. Got 2 Powerades and 2 Sprites. Those were my splurges, because when you buy name brand from a store like Lidl or Aldi, it's probably going to be on the more expensive side. So that was definitely a splurge on my part, because I was too lazy to go to the regular store. Got some Gruyere cheese, some turkey breasts, some mozzarella cheese sticks, some mini blueberry muffins. I've got some, I'm showing my Granny Smith apples again. I've got some asparagus. Yummy, yummy asparagus. I've got some bell peppers, some baby carrots. I've got some sweet potatoes. I got some salmon. I got raw shrimp, some Brussels sprouts. I'm going to do a recipe here later on in the video. And some mini potatoes. And I've also got some more peppers as well. So basically I got a sort of a Mod Podge, but it was mostly, I went mostly for the fruits and vegetables, just to kind of boost my snacking to a healthier side. But I also definitely kept in line with things that I normally buy, like energy drinks and the cereal, the granola cereal, and the stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this mini little haul from Lidl. And if you have one near you, I would definitely check it out for myself. All right, so let's make some roasted Brussels sprouts. Here I have a bag of Brussels sprouts. I know it's not the same bag that was in the haul. I actually found this one in the refrigerator, so we're gonna use it. And I love them. They're like little mini cabbages, taste-wise for me. And they're just so good. So make sure you have a good cutting board. You don't need a super fancy knife. You can get like a small one. A cookie sheet, you need some butter flavored spray or canola spray or coconut oil spray, whatever you prefer. And here I just took the outer layers off that were kind of a little brown or a little raggedy. So I just took those off and put them to the side. What I'm doing now is just taking off that stem and cutting them in half. So that way we have nice portions for you to bite whole, and it's gonna be super delicious. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the ends, and I am cutting them in half. So once you get that down pat, it's gonna be super easy. See? And now we have our cookie sheet that's lined with foil. You don't have to use foil. You can use a regular nonstick. This one, the stick is not so good, so I'm using the foil so it'll come off easier, and a little bit of butter spray. And I'm just lining them face up so that way it cooks evenly on the bottom, and it gets that nice little hint of brown on the top. So now that we've got them all nice and beautifully laid out, I am just gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and this just helps my seasoning stick to the Brussels. And believe it or not, I'm only gonna use salt and pepper. That is my personal preference. You can use garlic, a paprika, you can use a little bit of thyme, you can even put a little cumin on there. Brussels sprouts with cumin is actually really, really good. So try it out. Or sage. I forgot to mention, preheat your oven to 425. I already had something baking in there before I put this in. So 425, nice and hot, 7 to 10 minutes. Depending on your oven, you're gonna just make sure they're golden brown and a little tender to the touch, but not mushy or soft or burnt. You're still gonna have a cup, see the loose leaves around there? They might crisp up and look like bacon when you're done, but trust me, they're just flavored, they're seasoned, it's good. If you want to eat them as a chip or a snack, it is not a problem. So we're just gonna pop these babies right in the oven. See, I had already had stuff cooking, so I'm just popping these right in the oven on 425 for about 7 to 10 minutes. And once we're done, yummy. See those little leaves, the loose leaves that I said that might turn into bacon? They're still good. If you want to eat them, if you don't, that's fine. But our Brussels are perfectly done. So thanks, enjoy guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.